In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom text box for product customization in your Shopify cart page. This is a simple way to let customers leave special instructions, personalization requests, or custom notes before checkout. Let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Online Store. Next, click Customize next to your active theme. Once the theme editor opens, look toward the left side and click on the theme settings icon. Inside the settings menu, find and select Cart. Now look for the option called Enable Cart Note. Turn this option on. Enabling this feature will add a text box on your cart page where customers can enter custom requests or order notes. This can be useful for personalized products, gift messages, engraving requests, or delivery instructions. After enabling the cart note, click Save at the top right corner. Now visit your Shopify cart page and you'll see the custom text box displayed for customers. That's it. You've successfully added a custom text box for product customization on your Shopify cart page. Thanks for watching and happy selling.